I'm Brett at Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile header on X. So in the X app, we will go to our profile picture on the top left, then click Profile. Here we'll click Edit Profile. Next we're going to click on our header to change that. Then we'll click either Photo Library or Camera to add a new header. I'm just going to use the Camera app here, and I'm going to flip it around to me, and there you go, and I'm going to say cheese, and I'll click Use This Photo, and you can make it to whatever crop you'd like, and I'll just have it be set to there, even though it looks silly. When you're ready, you can click Apply. This is whether or not you take a picture or select one from your photo library. You can edit that further if you'd like. I'm just going to select Done, and now you can see that it has saved to your new profile header. You can click Save, and you are all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.